Well, we started this little trend once a year where we gather our nickels, quarters, and dimes, and at the end of the year we go buy fireworks. So that's what we do.
So, how many months of planning has it been? 2, 3. Yeah. Buying supplies and stuff.
Think about those fireworks show. Thoughts on that?
Oh, it's exciting. And loud.
I like the fireworks. I like that a lot of friends come over, family comes over, people hang out, we have food, we have fireworks, we have fun. And yeah, that's all I got to say about that.
Bueno, yo creo que va a ser algo muy espectacular, porque el año pasado todo se vio muy bonito. Me imagino que todo esto va a ser mucho mejor este año, y sobre todo gracias a Dios por poder compartir y estar juntos con él y toda la familia y todos juntos.
We have 252 shells, 38 cakes, average 20 shots each cake. And we got those little random little things. Just a mixture of cakes, mixture of shells. 144 Excaliburs, 84 the randoms, a 12-pack of Merlins. About it.
This year is looking like the show will have twice as many fireworks. What do you think about last year's show and how that one?
Why are you asking me about last year's show? I'm excited about this year's show.
This year he's going to have twice as many fireworks as last year. What are your thoughts on that?
Well, me and Gabby are planning on running away from them.
The setup this year, the number of fireworks, I mean, anything striking? Any thoughts on?
It's just we once a year go out and that's it.
All right.
Hope you all enjoy.
Quiero expresar que estamos contentos de que pueda hacer eso y poder pasar tiempo juntos, y sobre todo desearles un feliz año nuevo llenos de amor y paz, armonía y felicidad, no solamente para toda la familia Urbano, sino también para cada uno de la familia. Beto y DJ, su familia, Cintia y su familia, Yadira, su familia, Marisol y todos los que nos están acompañando, amigos. Son nuestros mejores deseos.
¿Usted, señora
Sí, se
Alberto?
acabó todo. Lo que puede haber dicho.
Maybe.
I mean, like,
Oh, so it's still recording?
No,
Like, are you gonna interview any other people?
Yeah, it is.
Okay, once a year we come together. No, edit all this. It's not gonna. Okay.
Everything's getting edited out
All
right
right,
now.
cool.
As of now,
It's
we
just gonna be a
got
picture of Ed and that's it.
Yeah, no, I think that's what you're doing.
Scrolling text, it'll just be like, "Good job," and then like a smiley face. Jeez. This is your baby.
It is, but I don't do this kind of thing.
Well,
Here you go, guys. Figure it out. Follow the fuse.